What's up, my love? So today we're making banana and nut smoothie, very ideal for weight gain. So two bananas, raw almonds, some cashew nuts, and also some Greek yogurt, and of course some almond milk because I love almond, and cinnamon to taste. Yes, so guys, I first took the bananas and peeled them and cut them. Sorry, I forgot where my knife is, so I'm overhandling the bananas using my hands. And then I went in with the almonds and also the cashew nuts. And then after that, I also added some Greek yogurt. You can use any type of yogurt that you like, but I had this, so I decided to use this instead of letting it just, expire and stuff. And then I went in with almond milk. I love almonds, so I did 2 cups of this. The portions are not restricted, you can do whatever you want. And then you just blend, and for some reason, I forgot to go in with the cinnamon, so yes, guys, blend, 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 blend. And then once it's ready, you can serve, and you can also add ice cubes if you love ice cubes. So thank you for watching. Make sure you try this at home. If you've not subscribed yet, kindly make sure you subscribe. See ya!